Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright, before we get cracking, I get a mail call. I went ahead and opened it up. I knew it was coming, but my bro CALIZONA Chris sent me 2 packs of Hereford Meatballs. And I appreciate that, brother. Thank you. I was having trouble finding a local hookup. I also threw in a couple sticks of fatwood and 2 packs of this awesome apple cider. This stuff is delicious. So I do appreciate that, brother. I will link his channel down in the description. Let's draw this week's shout out. Just want to make sure I get a good mix. I might be zoomed in a little too close. We'll just go with this one here. See if I can open it up. And we have, oh cool, we have Orion. Here's Orion sticker right here, right next to Judy and Spirit, Shalisa Shell, the legend Ron T. Sawyer, Donna from Dream Creations and Adventures, CALIZONA Outdoors, Nicholson Family Homestead, the late Bill Melton, Fab Creations, Expeditionary Johnny, Arabian Outdoors, Cat in the North. Sweet. Well, there we go. This week's channel shout out. All their information will be linked down in the description, and there'll also be something on the end as well. I always put their channel down there. And as always, let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. And also, let's not forget 22 a day, 22 of our vets take their lives. But you know, I also want to extend that shout out to our first rescue, firemen, our police, all those people who serve. I thank you, and I also thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.